Buenos dias, feliz domingo. Finished the live in record time today, hour and 18 minutes. So we baked a couple of sweet potatoes, and I went to Foodies to get the right sweet potatoes, and just use the electric mixer so I can make sure I got rid of the strings. You know, the strings are an issue in sweet potatoes. Put nothing else on it. Sweet potatoes do not need to be, you know, you can put a little cinnamon depending on what you're eating it or cooking it with, but I didn't put anything in it, okay? Then the star, I poached some tuna. I bought a pound of tuna at Mercado this week. It was $3.50. So I used, and you know, you have to put the tuna, I sliced it, not too thin. See? You see it's about maybe quarter-inch or third thickness, and in the oil you have to cover the fish with the oil. And then I had bay leaves in there, fresh garlic that I smashed to release the flavor, cilantro, what else did I have in there? Nothing hot, no chilies or anything like that, but garlic, and thyme, rosemary, bay leaves, garlic, and a little bit of salt, and fresh ground pepper. You bring it not to a boil, a slow cook, and once it starts to bubble, you take it off the heat and you let it sit. And the fish cooks and it's not overcooked. Listen, this is the only way I prefer to eat tuna. Look at that. So it's cooked, right? It's not seared. It doesn't have any pink in it, but it's not overcooked, okay? Oh my God. But on top of the sweet potato ash, I needed veggies. So I used okra. The okra I seasoned, put it in the oven, 15-20 minutes top, doesn't take a long time. And then I added some veggie broth so it doesn't stick, because I did not want it to fall apart. I want it to be cooked, but I kept them whole. So that's what the fish is sitting on, right? And when it was done, I dusted it with some turmeric. Try to get your turmeric in. And then I made an emulsion, like a little sauce, with one egg yolk. I beat it with the oil, you know, to form a little thicker. And then I added Dijon mustard, a little bit of chopped cilantro, and some lime juice. I'm just saying, if you went to a restaurant, you would pay a lot of money for this dish. They wouldn't give you that much anyway. You would get one piece of tuna, and I sprinkled the emulsion around, because you don't want to eat dry food, and you always need to contrast your colors, right? Pick your dish. I don't have the luxury because I use what I have. And I decided I'm not buying any more dishes. I'm done. So when I have a party, paper. I know the environment. Sorry, mea culpa. But if you had a choice between sweet potatoes and white potatoes, go for sweet, okay? It's much healthier. All right, guys. Have a beautiful Sunday. God bless. Bye.